Hello again. This tutorial is for a border to go on a corner to corner blanket. I've seen quite a few different borders, but I think this one works pretty well with the corner to corner. It's worked on the modern granny. I made a small swatch of corner to corner just to show how the borders worked. And although I used the same colour on the original one, which was a variegated yarn, I'm just going to use a white on this swatch just so that the stitches show up quite well. I'm using double knit yarn and a 5mm hook. So to start off, I'm going to work a slip knot onto the hook, and I'm going to join the yarn in between the blocks of the corner to corner, and you can do this on any side. So we'll just join with a slip stitch into any of the spaces between the blocks, and I'm now going to work a single crochet into that same space. So a single crochet is into the space, pick up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. We're now going to work 3 chain and then skip the block and work 1 single into the next space. Chain 3, and then we go again over to the next space. Just catch that yarn if I can there, and a single crochet into that next space. Chain 3 and a single into the next chain space. And you would carry on working a single into the space followed by the 3 chain, a single, 3 chain and so on until you reach the corner. Once you reach the corner, we're going to work 3 chain, and then you'll have to work into the actual stitch here, and we're going to work 1 single, 3 chain and a second single into that same stitch, and that's going to form the corner. So then along the next side we're going to do exactly the same as before, which is 3 chain and a single into the space, 3 chain, a single into the space, 3 chain, a single into the next space, 3 chain, a single into the next space, 3 chain and a single, and then again we're back at the next corner. So we're going to work the 3 chain and then into the actual corner, going to work 1 single, 3 chains and another single. There's the second corner formed, and then we work exactly the same along the next 2 sides. Obviously you'll have to pause the video until you've caught up. If you've got a blanket, it's going to be quite a long side that you're going to be working these chains and singles. So I'll just go along this next side, 3 chain, 1 single, 3 chain, 1 single, 3 chain, 1 single, and so on. And you're going to work the same all the way around the blanket, not forgetting that into the corner we need to do the single, 3 chain and a second single, followed by 3 chain and into the next space. So I'll carry on around, and as I say, you can pause the video until you've caught up, and I'll meet you when we get to the end. So once you've worked all the way around your blanket with the chain and single crochets, we've come to the beginning of the row. So we've got the last 3 chains, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet that we did to start. So the next row, we're going to slip stitch into the 3 chain space and work 3 chain, and this is going to count as the first double crochet. We do 2 more doubles into that same space, followed by chain 1, and then into the next 3 chain space again we're going to work 3 doubles, followed by chain 1, and we'll carry on all the way to the corner working exactly the same, 3 doubles into the chain space followed by a chain. Once you reach the corner, we're going to work a chain 1, and then into this corner chain space we're going to work 2 doubles, chain 1 and 2 more doubles. That takes us round onto the next side, where again we're going to chain 1 and then work 3 doubles into each of the 3 chain spaces with a chain 1 in between. So we've chained 1 and 3 doubles, and we carry on all the way to the next corner. Chain 1, three doubles, chain 1, three doubles, chain 1, and then the final 3 doubles when you've reached your next corner. Oops. Chain 1, and then again into the corner 3 chains we're going to work 2 doubles, 1 chain and 2 doubles, which now takes you to the next side, where you'll again work chain 1, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles, and so on all the way along to the end, and I'll meet you as we get round to the other side. Once you've reached the end and you've come back to the original starting stitch here, we will do chain 1 and then join into the top of the 3rd chain of the starting stitch. On this one I'm just going to do the one row of the border, but if you wanted to add a second row the way I've done on this one, you would just flip the work over, work a single crochet into that space and start again with the 3 chain and a single into the next stitch, and so on, remembering at the corner that you would need a single crochet, 3 chain and a single crochet. If you're just going to do the one row as I've done here, we would just slip stitch to the first stitch and just pull the yarn through to fasten off. And there we have a nice simple border for a corner to corner, the same as the one that I've done on this blanket. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, Please subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.